I am the vulture and the corpse. Oblivion, welcome home. A girl in red pants dancing on the floor. She smiles at you. If you could remember. Dances our strange mind. There's something in her face that wakes up a forgotten feeling. Oblivion, welcome home. Forget what you're not, and then your wings will grow. There's nothing wrong. We are dancing aliens. Spread your